So since drinking only beautiful filtered crystal clear water at the old place, I have just found town water literally unpalatable, and I've used a lot of lemons off my beautiful lemon trees to disguise the flavour of that water. It's just grotty. However, I've been doing a bit of digging around to find out exactly what the latest developments are in whole house water filtration. I think the world is just starting to wake up to the rubbish that's often found in our town tap water. I mean, forever chemicals, metals, chlorines, fluorides. So what can you do to not only get better tasting water, but water that is better for you and your family, and your home? So this is the Elite Series 5Q from Great Water Filters. And this is gonna really act as a whole house filter. So it will filter really starting at base number 1, which is all your debris, and that will capture the mud and all the disgusting stuff in your water if you're on tank water, all the way down to 1 micron. I'll give you a hand, mate. Yep. Now 1 micron is powerful enough to capture things like virus, bacteria, and other nasties that you don't want in any of your drinking water. One of the great selling features about this unit is actually made from 316 marine grade stainless steel. And I've seen a lot of other whole house water filters that are made from plastic, and the weather can really start degrading that housing, but this will stand the test of time. So look, as homeowners, I mean, there's lots of things you can do to not only protect you and your family, but also to protect the household water-based appliances in your house as well, like your hot water systems and your kettles and your coffee machines, because the cleaner the water that you put in there, the less scale that you get building up, and also you get a bit more life out of your appliances as well. You know, you can do a lot to protect you and your family, and the water that comes out of these just tastes so much better as well.